What's up guys, in today's video we are going to prep the parts and paint them. The Cafaracer build took a little stop because of the Ducati. The bike wasn't supposed to be here this long, but yeah, when we fixed something there was a new issue, so it took a while to solve it. Now it's solved, so we are continuing the Cafaracer project. Enjoy! So first we are going to clean the parts up. When the grease is off the parts, we're going to start sanding them. After the sanding process, we're going to clean them again. Then we are going to hang the parts up and start painting them. So as you can see right here, we are already painting the parts. Cleaned them before, so it's not like we painted on the dirty parts. Right here you see us putting the engine on table because we stopped painting to let the parts dry. In the meantime we were busy cleaning our engine to make it a little bit more fresh and clean. We're going to continue this later on. Now we are putting the parts together to have a mock-up of what the bike will look like.